Welcome to the Ports and Shipping News from Vishakhapatnam. Today, chairing the 18th meeting of Maritime State Development Council (MSDC) virtually, Mansukh Mandavia, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, said that he was full of confidence that all the members of MSDC will come together to jointly chalk out an integrated national plan for development of ports and maritime sector in India. Minimum government and maximum governance is the motto of New India. PM Shri Narendra Modi ji approved the measure of Central Railside Warehousing Company Limited with Central Warehousing Corporation, promoting ease of doing business. This measure will create jobs too. Ministry of Food and Civil Supply, Government of Karnataka, Shri Umesh V. Katta met Union Minister of Port and Shipping and Waterways Mansukh Mandavia in New Delhi yesterday and had a talk with him. In line with the effort taken by the Government of India against COVID-19, JNPT handled 448.6 metric tons consignment loaded in vessel MV OOCL, Memphis and clear top priority. JNPT has handled a total of 1,372.41 metric tons of COVID-related supplies so far as ensured steady supply of oxygen for COVID-19 patients in India. Deen Dayal Port Trust. In continuation of improvement in illumination inside port area, DPT has leaped into outside area also in the first phase. In Jan 2021, DPT illuminated 6.30 kilometers road length of erecting of 215 light posts with double armed LED fittings. In the second phase of erecting 128 light posts in a stretch of 2.45 kilometers up to West Gate 1. The enhanced level of illuminations will reduce the road accidents and help ease of traffic congestion in nights. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.